In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to join FIFA Rewards and start earning FIFA points. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of FIFA, provide your credentials and log into your account. After you log in, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now here, you're going to find the option of rewards. Click on that. Now from here, you are able to join FIFA Rewards. Click on the option Join Now. Now go ahead and provide the credentials of your FIFA account. In case you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Just fill in all these details. Then check in for these options and click on Join Now. And just with that, you have joined FIFA Rewards. Now this is where your all activity will be tracked automatically. FIFA has introduced a points-based system where fans can earn rewards by completing different actions like engaging with match content, participating in predictions, exploring tournaments updates, and joining official FIFA digital experiences. Once you're inside the rewards hub, you'll start seeing daily and seasonal challenges. These challenges are what help you earn points. For example, you may earn points for predicting match results, checking in during live games, or completing special events missions tied to World Cup season. As you collect points, you can unlock ties that give you access to exclusive rewards, digital collectibles, and even ticket-related opportunities depending on availability and reason. FIFA has also hinted that certain reward drops and ticket opportunities may be available through point redemption events, meaning your activity could eventually help you gain access to limited World Cup experiences or exclusive fan perks during the tournament period. That's it, now you know how to join FIFA Rewards and start earning points in 2026. If this guide helps you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.